Hello, so I'm out here. I'm in western Kansas. I'm about 10 miles from the Colorado line, and it is very windy, as you can tell. We see around here, it's just wide open plains. It's all it is around here. Just everything is just so flat. I'm at a rest area. I don't know if you can see beyond the rest area out there. It's just flat everywhere. So there's nothing really to stop the wind, and it's just like an extra windy day. There's actually wind advisories out for today. But I'm just about to hit the mountains of Colorado here pretty soon, I think. So be able to get some good video out there. But for now, I just wanted to show you how windy it is out here. And like when I'm going down the road, it almost feels like it's going to blow my truck over. But anyway, this is where I'm at and what's going on. I'm going to continue on, and I'm going to so I can see this behind me. Continue on and head for Colorado.